Use busy times to communicate with your team. Block out time in your calendar with our busy time feature. You'll be able to add a unique description to the busy time, which is handy if you want to make a note of a staff absence, remind a staff member of a specific task, or keep track of customers who would like to be squeezed in for the day. Plus, the beauty of cloud-based systems like Timely means that you can do this from anywhere. If you need to drop a quick note to your team when you're having an admin day at home, salon management is at your fingertips. To add busy time to the calendar, click a spot in the calendar as you would when adding an appointment. Select busy time from the pop-up. Choose a staff member from the drop-down list. Add a simple description to make a note of what the busy time is for. Example, staff meeting. Finally, check the prevent online bookings during this time. This checkbox is to stop appointments from being booked during the busy time. Alternatively, you can allow online bookings to be booked over the task. This is Hot Tips. I'm Sherri. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you all next time.